Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I want to do a power hour for you guys, a power hour cleaning. I haven't done one in a long time and I barely see people do them any ways on YouTube anymore, to do like speed cleans, ultimate cleans, extreme cleans, those sorts of things. So I just wanted to do a power hour because it really is one of my favorite ways of cleaning. So I thank Kimberly from Sahm as always for creating this and sharing with us this method of cleaning. I have done a list, and basically the purpose of the power hour, or how you do the power hour, is you make out a list of everything you want to complete. You bust your butt for an hour. You clean everything on your list. You don't watch the TV. You don't answer the phone. You don't go on social media. You can play some music. And that's about it, and you bust your butt for an hour. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So on my list today, you can see I have make the bed, hoover the bedroom, shred some papers that are in our bedroom, and do the dishes, clean the counters, do the dining room table, pick up the toys and Ava's clothes that are in the living room and play area, hoover the sitting living kitchen area, mop the kitchen. And then these bottom two here I have little asterisks beside, and it's whether or not I have time to do them. So the first one is hoover and mop the bathroom, and the second one is clean the outside windows on my French door. So you've seen me clean the inside, but it's been a very long time since I cleaned the outside. It also looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm not quite sure whether I'm gonna be getting those two done. But that is my list, and I'm going to show you the time. Actually, I'm going to set a timer today. It's just simpler because I don't have to remember what time it was at. So I go into my clock and I'm going to set the timer for 1 hour.
Of all these dreams I can't remember, no I can't tell. I lost my mind in December, I hope you're well. But all I know is what I'm told, this feeling cannot be controlled. Watch the stars when I am gone. Have faith in me, we will behold the skies of gas, they are foretold. Watch the stars when I'm gone. When I am gone. After all that we've been through, I think it's fair from me to you. Watch it burn as we soar away. Hey, hey. After all is said and done, and I know I am the one, I have waited here forever. But all I know is what I'm told, this feeling cannot be controlled. Watch the stars when I am gone. Have faith in me, we will behold the skies of gas, they are foretold. Watch the stars when I'm gone. When I am gone. You carry the world upon your shoulders. For I'm not the only one. How could you look behind now when everything is done? Oh, you carry the world upon your shoulders. For I'm not the only one. Where are you going so fast tonight? Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now, don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. You've got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now, don't hold it in too long, 'cause you'll find you're missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go.
Hey guys, so I'm going to end my power hour here. My sister had Ava for a couple of hours and now Ava is back. And I just have the shredding to do anyway, so I can just do that while she is napping. I need to make her lunch, is what you see me put on over here. And then I can do the rest of the shredding. I think I had like 11 minutes left or something from my power hour. So I got pretty much everything done today that I wanted to do. I'm very, very happy. Ava is back, as I said, and now she is already wrecking the place. I'm just waiting for her to tip the Lego blocks on the ground like she usually does. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, because it really helps me out when you give my videos thumbs ups. Subscribe here if you're new. I put out videos 3 days a week. And follow me on my Instagram or Facebook. I am very active on Instagram. I also have a blog and a new blog post out on why we are starting Tot School. So if you're interested in finding out what is Tot School and why we are doing it, please do click down in the description. There will be a link that will bring you to my new blog post on why we are starting Tot School. So that's it guys. I will talk to you very soon. Bye.